So I'm here on top of the roof and I'm going to continue installing my solar panel. But I apologize, I wasn't able to film everything while I'm fixing my solar because it was really tough when I put up my solar panel the other night, and I'm just gonna show you my solar panels. Here it is. So I have 400 watts of solar panels, and this is Bougie RV. I actually did not finish putting this the right way. If you can see, they're not aligned because I ran out of time the other day and they're about to close. So now I hope I won't run out of time because this is my last day of working here in the shop since I did not renew my membership. I'm just gonna try my best and film this because it's really hard to do this. I have to take this out because I have to add some more. Okay. I was trying to remove the panels to add more RV solar tape because the first time I installed my solar panels, I ran short on RV tape. I can't drive on the freeway because I don't want it to fly off and hit other vehicles. This solar setup I'm using right now is only temporary. I want to build my own solar rack, but I have to consider so many things first, like the cost, where I can install it, and the time it will take. It's really difficult to do projects like installing a roof rack, a vent fan, or anything on the exterior when you don't have your own place. And I know it's going to be challenging to redo my setup later since I already sealed it with RV tape. But I need a solar now to power my Bluetti. I bought two MC4 solar cables to connect my solar panels. I'm wiring them in series since my solar panels and the rest of my system will be 12 volts. I've already connected the MC4 cable to the first panel, and now I'm about to do the same with the second panel. And now I'm going to install this solar cable gland, which will cover the cable as it runs down into the van and connects to my Bluetti power station. What you need to do first is remember how the screws were originally placed before you start removing them. Then take the solar cable, insert it into the holes, and reinstall the screws. I don't have any footage of me applying the marine adhesive to the solar cable gland, but I did it earlier. Now I'm pressing it down to make sure the adhesive bonds well to the metal. And now I am going to build a platform to place my fridge between the front cabin seats so it does not block my way when I work inside the van. This is just a temporary platform. I am planning to put my fridge on the side of my bed so I can plug it in easily because my power station is there. I only put one leg on this platform because the other end inside is already higher, which is why it just needs one leg to level the platform to the floor. And here is how it looks now. In my next video, you'll see me building my bed frame and storage. I know this one's a bit short, but I'm trying to avoid crushing everything I worked so hard to edit. I'm just excited as you are. So I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thank you again for being here. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and smash the hype button. Thank you.